work with SafeLine all the time, and what we've taken away for today is that we are going to get some DWG drawings, and so we can start putting their kit straight into our drawings, so we can give the client the exact measurements of everything and what it's going to look like when it finally arrives on site. Because at the moment we're doing a lot of rendering, and we want the client to see exactly what he gets before it arrives on site. You know, and with the colours and everything, shadings and hatchings, you can make it look like a photograph. So it's very important to get the right materials on the drawing and on the render. So that's what we got today. So we made some good contacts with the factory, so we can now get the DWGs sent over to us and incorporate those into our renders, and hopefully clients will be more satisfied.